After you upgrade to Windows 10 or Windows 11, you find out there is a windows.old folder in your local disk C. This folder has probably taken up space on your drive, so you might have to delete it, but you can't delete the folder straight from here. There's a proper way to do that, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video.
So go back, right-click on your local disk C and select Properties. As the Properties window opens, there's a disk cleanup option in the General tab. Click that and wait for the disk cleanup to calculate how much space will be able to free on your local disk C. After the calculation is finished, it will bring up a list of files to delete. Below that, click on the Cleanup System Files button. Again, you have to wait for the disk cleanup calculation to complete. This may take a few minutes. So when this comes up, you can see the list of files to delete. Scroll to the bottom and locate previous Windows installations, check the box and click on OK. When this comes up, click on Delete Files to start Cleanup Utility to clear out the windows.old installation folder. So, after a couple of minutes, when it's done, close the window and open the local drive C. Here, you can see that the windows.old folder is now taken off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I hope the video helps. See you soon.